What's up, guys? I got something I can give you a little info on. On these big 550s, the steering, a lot of times you pull up and down on the ring. If they're secured, you're good. And whenever they get loose, so it's got a little bit of slack right there. To tighten up your steering on these things. That one's pretty loose there. But yeah, see how much slack it's got that way. Quite a bit. But to tighten up into your steering on them, what you do on them is up in here on your linkages, on your steering, your hem joints and all that. Your pin that goes through here. If you look on each side, there's two Allen mites right there. Two of them, one here and one there on each side. If you'll go around on all these throughout your whole machine on your steering and tighten them up every now and then, because they tend to waller loose. But if you'll tighten them up, then it'll tighten up your steering. You can see that it's pretty loose. Get up in there. Yeah, there we go. Real loose. Yeah, these things will loosen up over time. You'll have to go in there and re-tighten them back up. But that'll get your steering straightened up a little bit. You get a lot of slack in the steering and they get where they don't want to control right. You can get up in there where you can see it. Get it out. This thing is pretty loose. I have to go around these machines about once every 2 or 3 months and tighten these things back up. You got one there. These over here, you don't really, on your tilts, you don't really have much slack on them. You got your hem joints down here, but they don't really adjust. But you can go under the bottom and find your little Allen screws and tighten them up. And that'll tighten up your steering for you. Pretty quick little job. It ain't nothing major. Unless you got a pin or something go out, you know, or a bushing. Yeah, there's one right back in here. Back in there, the tricky one to get. Let me see. Let me come around to this side, see if I can reach it. Yeah, I can reach it from up here. I'll get my camera around here where you can actually see something. That everybody's got concrete in it. Battery's got a different size. One. But you can see just where I tighten that other side up. Started tightening it up a lot. But yeah, if you'll just go around on all your pins on your stern, man, and just go around and tighten all these up. It's tight. Check this back here. It must be a different size because it ain't. There it is. See, that one's loose. You got much room to get up in there. Work better with a socket or a Allen bolt. All right, got those two. One side you don't have as much because one only goes side to side. That's this side. And the other one goes forward and backward. This never pushes you, no one stirs you pretty much. But yeah, that's solid there. So a lot of times you'll still have just a little bit because that's in your, it's usually in your linkages. So your linkages will move a little. But as long as you don't have a whole lot of slack. All right, thanks for watching.